Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss the e-marketing. So here, normally we know this where we are performing this marketing. So just you can see if you are performing in the online, that is like your online marketing. Already we discussed this one. Okay, so but again we have this topic. Now we will discuss this one. So this e-marketing can be done in the form of internet, means by using the network. So this can be divided into the two parts. One is the passive and second one is the aggressive. So here passive can be performs like your users retrievers performance. Means here it will be having the pull, pull information. So from all the websites it will be having the information. So here whatever the user is there here, they can participate and retrieve the information whatever they required through the internet is possible by the passive. Okay, so suppose here if you need the retrieve, or else if you need to be participate in any everything, in that time here you can use the passive method in our e-marketing. And your aggressive can be performs like your which website is active at present. Once you are searching any website in our Google or anything, so it may be suppose we are searching for the tutorial point. For suppose you are entering like your http www and our tutorial point. In that time your uh, it is showing like your whatever the tutorial point is have the information. So means what we are doing here, we are searching the one one link in the website, right? So this aggressive is searching like your if this link is in the form of active or not in our websites. Okay, and that is performed by the users who are trying to search in this. Users are trying, and also here the website is trying to communicate with them to the users if it is available in the website. If not your, it is showing like your reload the page, or else your whatever you search that is not there, right? So in this method we are doing the push method. We are pushing the information. So whatever you have the websites, those will be having the without considering whether the customers are really interested or not. Your passive method can be done in the way of pull, right? Passive method can be done in the pull form, and next your aggressive can be done in the form of your push form. Okay, pull and the push, same like this only. Pull or push means your we are throwing, that is only. These two are done by the users only, so these two are in the form of our website only. Okay, but here the passive can be performs like here how many users are performing, or else here how many users are visiting your website, like here how many persons are actively participating your website. But in the aggressive here you are searching that website is there in the web, that link is there in the website or not. If it is available, they can communicate with you. So whatever you are searching the sentences or anything, that will be shows like you, right? So like that here we can work the passive and the aggressive. Here we have the some different internet marketing techniques. So means here whatever you have the passive and the aggressive, these can be divided like this. You can see the passive is divided into the search engine and the directory registration, and also here it is divided into the solicited targeted email. Okay, first two or for your first two for what we are using here. So passive. Okay, so just you can see search engine and the directory registration. Your search engine is nothing but your, for example, you can choose our Google only. Google is the search engine. Whatever the user required, they can enter the information into the Google, so they will get the whatever they entered, right? So In this search engine, we can, it is one type of software system. Here, search engine is the one type of software system. It is designed for to search the information in the internet. Without the internet, here we cannot find anything. So the search engine is defined or is designed by through the internet. Okay, without the internet, can we approach, can we perform the any information? No. So for that case, you can see it is designed for the search engines. Or else you can see whatever you have the directories, search engines, those will be like your most popular in our finding the sites. Several sites we have at present days, websites. So if you need to search those website, you are searching those by using your search engine. And these engines are operating the user defined words, and also it will be takes the boolean expression. I think everyone knows what is the boolean. Normally we'll be having the c++ like this, right? In that also you will be having like that. What boolean means here, it may be the false or else it may be the true. If you are entering the one link, if it is available, it can shows the information. If it is not available, it can shows like your search is not found. Okay, like that here user defined words means here whatever we are entering. Suppose here you need to be find the what is e-marketing, that is a user word only, right? So here if it is not like your what is e-marketing, whatever they given, so here by the e-marketing keyword they can give the information to us, right? So here in this here we can work the user defined words, and also we can perform the boolean expression in the search bar, whatever you have. And whatever you have the search results that can be represented in the line of strings, and which are list of closely matched websites. Whatever you have, those will be matched. And also you can see that is like your search engine results pages. Once it is giving the information to us, means whatever the user is entered the question, if it is giving the answer to us, that we can call like your SEP, SERP, SERP, search engine results pages. What we can call here? SERP. So what is the SERP here? Search engine results pages. And here whatever you generated the results, that will be having the combination of the web pages and the images and various types of files also. If you're searching anything, you can see it will shows only one thing, means like your text format. No, it can be shows several web pages like with the form of images also, or else several websites. And also sometimes it will be having some files. You can click the link, you will be get the download form. It will be shows some images to us, and sometimes it can be shows some videos also. You can check once you are doing all this here, you will be understand. Just open the Google search engine, enter the any one element. Any one element means just like your e-marketing only, you can enter. Automatically it can be shows the information about that. So you can see here whatever they are showing. Yes, it is giving the result to us. What it will be having? It will be having the several websites. Once you are clicking any one website, it can be shows the text formats and also some images type, and also it will be having like your just some types of files also. Okay. And here if the user types any string format in the search bar and the clicks enter, the search engine periodically crawls through the internet searching for the new pages. For what means here? For the new pages. And also it can be updates the existing database, the speed with which the engine performs updation, and the searches the number of locations have major impact on the total number of sites also. And it can be indexed as well as the revenue to the site. So just you can see here, normally we are getting the several websites. Okay, so just here we are getting the top 10 websites in our list. Why? Because here they are the most popular in that pages. So means you're if you're using the second page, suppose here you have the several website, one person is in the topmost, but you are opening the fifth position person, means several times you are opening, means you are, they can update it like you, they will come to the second position or else third position, like that. Here it may be performing like your our index performance. Okay, and whatever you have that you can perform with the speed, everything here. So just you can see more number of clicks is site by the user, and the higher income to the site owner who created the our website. Here for that people will get the high much of amount. So your search engines is maintains the real-time information by using an algorithm, or else here it may be the web crawl. Okay, so just you can imagine how it will be works. That's it, nothing is there. Okay, and your whatever you're designing the web pages, that will be having the uh, increasing the sites like your hit rates, ranking. Both the rates and the ranking will be very important. Why? Because here if you're designing the website list here on the internet, so that is depends on that only. If you're designing them more clearly, or else just you can see, this is a search engine only, I think definitely will be understand by the YouTube. If you're giving the thumbnail here, more people can be attractive. If you're not giving the thumbnail, definitely here they will not approach your videos. Why? Because you're, they don't know what it will be there, right? So like that only here, just you are clicking the one link several times, means you definitely will be understand. Okay, so and here just here you can see the website will be having uh, the following sites, means your whatever we have that I will show you. If you're entering anything like here, if it is matching the whatever the user is type or the text, or else your user is given that probability of visiting with also be less, and different search engines operating the differently, and it can be performs a slightly different results also. Likely whatever you are doing, that can be performed into this. So just you can observe how, whenever you are entering the details in the web pages, or else you're in the search engines, so just here you can imagine, just you can write the, if you got this search engine, uh, whatever we are performing, whenever we are finding the information in the Google, that's it, nothing is there for this. And you can see next year we have the solicited targeted email. So in the email marketing, here is the most important communicating channel. Why? Because here it will be having the reasonable charges for its services, and also it can be supports the HTML messages. You'll be having the web technologies, right? So in that we have the HTML, right? So here it is having the some HTML messages. So those messages can be comprises the colorful text, and images, colorful text with the images for the products, and also it can be provides the links to us like your they can order whatever the product they need. And this technique is also adapted to perform attract our visitors to visit our websites, and also they can gain the attention, but here they cannot involve both the customer in the websites, everything. And you can see whatever you have the technique here that is promoting the products, those are available in the internet. And also you can see whatever they have own products, they can be redirect to the other sites also, means other persons will be also having these products, means here they can show, right? If you're buying any product from the online, you can see it is showing like here this product will also available from the another supplier, right? So same like that only, if you are searching or else if you are buying any product here, same like that it is also showing to us like here. Another site is also having these products like that. You can see, if you're finding Amazon, if you're finding any image on Amazon, so here you can see this image is also available in the, or else here this product is also available in the Flipkart, right? So same like that it can be shows the or information. And here it is also helping to us like you're promoting the our own product. I think everyone knows like your promotions. Promotion means you're, yes, you just now started your business, but you don't know how to develop this, but you need the uh, more orders from for that product. In the time here you need to be do like your promotion. Your promotion means you need to be pay the some pay. So top most websites whatever you have, in that year they can post your page, like your whatever you have the product they can paste. Or else you can see if your just you can see, if you're searching anything in the website here, it is sometimes you're showing the buy a car, or else you buy a shoes, buy the dress, like this it will be shows in between the text. So that is not related to our topic, but it can be shows, those are the some ads type, right? So means here if you need to be promote your product, you can pay the amount for the Google. They will post whatever you have the product in the other sites. So if they click here, if they click and bought that product here, you will be get the profit, right? So if you're not understanding by the search engine, go to the YouTube. In a good YouTube also here at present, just now you started the your channel means here no one can come to your channel. So but here you need to be grow means definitely you have to be promote your channel by giving the money to the our YouTube, or else your other persons with a promotion type. So if you're giving the your channel information to any person, they can promote to your channel. So then you how they can promote means here once you're watching the any video, uh, they can shows like here some ads. I think everyone knows, if you're getting the ads, so those ads will be coming like your promotions. Those ads will be coming like your promotions. Like this only, whatever you have the product here, you can promote your own product. That is also possible into this in our businesses. Okay, so like here, if you have any own product, as well as it can be redirects them to the other sites of the other products also. And this type of technique you will be having the several benefits to do the our business. And also it is helping to us like you're unloading the products which are not used from the warehouse also. Your warehouse means your hub. I think hub also you don't know. Suppose you can see, here Amazon is the one warehouse, suppose. How means here Amazon will be having the all the products. Or else you can see, if you're doing some business, it may be the clothes, or else it may be the gadgets, electronic gadgets, anything. So if all the products will be there in one place means here that we can call here one warehouse, or else it may be the one hub. Okay, so here if it is not there also, here we can maintain that one. And that is like your mutual agreement for the business, that can be offering the our services to the customers. Uh, the customer is bought that one, or else you order that one, they can definitely, if not there here they can find, or else they can design it right now, they can send. And here the interest forcing sign up for the services. Now signing us requires customers to furnish their details on the websites. If the websites requires the more amount of information to be furnished, they can accept less number of visitors. Therefore website should try the retrieve only the information that is necessary into this. So whatever you have these techniques here, it can be performed like your pull technique. Why? Because your user has requested the information, but it can also be considered as soft push. Okay, and this soft push technique is also working like you're on our website here, whatever the user is gained, and whatever the user will be having an interest by attracting them with the several services, whatever the firm is given the information like that also. And third one, we have the interactive sites here. These interactive sites is coming to the our aggressive ban or offline spam and unsolicited targeted email chain letters. These are all for our aggressive, means here these will be having the push, these will be having the push type. Interactive sites, so here these interactive sites are trying to customers give the some attention in the interactive manner. So here it can be done to create the awareness about the benefits whatever they offered. Like your suppose you can see if you're buying any product or else your anything, just the website is giving the some attractive or it's like your interactive sites means here suppose if you click the anything, if you're clicking the any page or anything, so automatically it can be gives the our information, means you can see. Yes, if you're buying, if you need to be bought buy the one product, but you don't know what is the product requirements, in that time you're sending the one message to the that persons, right? Automatically any one person can join to us and they can chat with us like that. Here we can interact this site, or else you can see. Yes, you can see so many websites we have like your GoDaddy and so many like that. So if you don't know about that product or else your anything, so you can enter your details. Just here you can, if you have any question, like here they will ask any question. I think everyone seen this one. So just here they can post after that page, ask any question. So if you click the ask any question, whatever you asked, so automatically another people can join to chat with us. Okay, that is like your interactive sites. So they can attracting the our visitors like that. And next year we have the banner advertising. The banner advertising is the one technique to perform the highly expensive. So many companies are spending the some money or else amount of money to internet marketing firms for providing them flash advertising banners, which is like your links to perform the business in the sites. So these links are usually provided on the pages of other websites. One of the advantages is like your to keep track of the visitors who visited the site by clicking on the link. Just I think everyone knows these banner advertising. So just here they can post the, not, it is not a posting type, it is like your blinking performance. The post will be in the form of blinking performance. If you click that blinking advertisement here, automatically it can be shows here whatever the person, whatever the information will be there. Once you click is also they will got the amount, means how many people are visited your page like that. Okay, so or else you can see here uh, once you performed anything, so suppose you also create that one. Okay, you also create anything, that is also possible. And next here we have the offline advertising. So you're normally you're always you're doing the advertisements in the online only, right? So now we can see offline advertisements. So this of normally you can see not only banner advertising, here you several, not only in the search engines, you can see in everywhere. If you're suppose if you're playing the games or else if you're watching any application, in that time also it will be gives the our advertisements. You can observe one thing, Okay, so in the offline advertising here, whatever you have the advertisements, some methods can be used for the promoting our websites in the televisions, like printing and the radio type. So in the TVs also we are getting the advertisements, right? And also your by the printing and posters type, this product is available now, like that. And in the FM radio also we can give the some audio to us. So yes, nowadays your these will be offers is there and this product will be there in this. You can buy these products from these shopping malls or else your in any website like this. They can promote their advertisement in the offline also. So these techniques will be having more money when compared to the other methods. So comparing to the online, here offline will be having the more charges. Offline will be having the more charges. Why? Because they can charge more. The television, these people will be charged more. The websites will be not charged like that. If the website is charging like your 100 rupees, the television can charge like your 1000 rupees, like that it can be charged. And one example you can see the Victoria's Secret's website promoting live fashion show. If it is promoting its event not only in on national and the local televisions, but also it is invested in the highest paid advertising event that we can call like your Super Bowl. Apart from this, here you can see it is also giving the advertisements to some popular newspaper like your USA Today, Brands, Wall Street Journal, and the New York Times or anything. Okay, due to all these, they are getting the success and the massive number of people in the watching show, right? You can see directly if you're going to the live without giving off any information, anyone can join into that. No. So for the kid here, they are investing the amount in the televisions and newspapers in every way. They can do the posters or anything. So automatically several people can join at that moment. So they will get the some money, right? So they can do the offline advertising like that. And next year we have the spam mail. The spam mail is like your one forcible attracting customers. It is not means your users is not directly performing this one. Users is not directly performing this one, but here what it will be happening, you can see. Normally you can see we have the email. In our email, we are getting these spam mails. I think everyone know. So it is like your one junk mail. So just you can see this is not your users are not performing. This is performing like a forcible type. So spam mail is a forcible means it is like you're attracting the customers. If that people is attracting, automatically we can click and we can lose our money also. Or else you can see, suppose your our normally we'll get the some normal messages like your where is a Charminar in Hyderabad, or else you're uh, in Delhi, like that. Okay, so if you give the answer like your Hyderabad, so automatically you can see here the amount some amount will be cut in your mobile, right? So same like that here your spam miles also here like one brokerage type. Okay, so the term spam mail is like your unwanted and unrequested online emails, that is like your our junk mail, so which is repeatedly sent to multiple recipients at the time. Your the word spam means your postage due marketing, and it can be indicates the thousands or millions of messages residing on the host system of the receipts, and the message resides see until they are deleted, until we are deleting, that will be there in our spam only. The mail can be advertisement from an organization. It tries to sell the something to the recipient, or else your spam mails are sent to those who have never visited the site. Okay, like that also. And they can send the spam mail also, like requires the email addresses type, or else your spammers usually collect the email addresses from all the social websites and the chat rooms. And you can see they also employ an emails pending techniques. Those can be performs like your whatever the user will be having the known information about the internet users, and they can search the email addresses whatever the users will be having, or else here whatever the users based on the available information in the online. So like that also they can search in the online. So just you can search whatever we have the spam mails in our email. Okay, so those will not visible to us if you click the spam mail only. The whatever you have the mails here, those can be visible. Okay. And next year we have the unsolicited and the targeted email. So yeah, the customer can receive the emails those are related to the sales and the promotions of the items. If they do not request for this, so it can be works like you're inefficient to work many emails or whatever you have the sent to the our customer, whatever you have the annoyed and may block the services, everything here they can be performs within the form of emails. Or else your they will not means here the efficient if the emails are not sent in the bulk manner, so it will be done in the like your helps of some cookies. Normally you can see if you're using any applications or anything, so they can choose like your cache and cookies, right? So like this, and these cookies tracks the response of the customers, like your email advertisements based on the email or sent, which is grabbing the customers attention instead of the annoying them. Just you can see whatever you have the applications, how we are performing those applications, and then you will be understand how we are working this one. You can observe that one. So just whenever you are using the applications, those applications will be having the some cache, and also it will be having the some cookies. It will be reads the information how many times you open the uh, application, and whatever you are using, and at what time you are using that application, everything will be there in that. Okay. And next year we have the email chain letters. This email chain letters is also one type of our aggressive advertising techniques, and it can be designed to attract the attention of the users. Like it will be having the low cost technique, and it can be used for it can be used for the firms for promoting their products, or else it may be the services, or else here whenever the user is registered by the visiting site, and it also it can be forwards is to link to the others. And whatever the user will be having, it can be referred individual, and also it can be gets the extra benefits for every person who are visiting the our site by clicking on the links like that. So definitely will be get the emails. So in that email, if you got any link here, if you are clicking that one, so in that again it will be having the one link. If again you are clicking that one, means again it will be having the one link. So like that it will be having the several links here. You can say that is the email chain letter manner. Okay, so not only it will be having the by one link here we cannot find, it will be open, so it will be having the several links. If you're clicking the one link to another link, you automatically it can be displayed the several links manner. Like that here you can work the our email chain letters. Okay, so this is the our search engine whatever you are working like that. Okay, and next you will be having the one thing that is the directory services. So your the directories are in the new online advertising format. So this can be representing the our business functionalities. This will be having the like these will be having the some functionalities, those can be represented in the our index format. So those are like your list, and also it can be supplies the our links to the websites, and the listing of the websites can be done in the form of alphabetical manner, or else it can be done in the form of category wise. And whatever you have the indexes, those can be listed category wise, and also it can be displays the indexes, whatever you have the sequential order also. And the when user clicks the one category, so automatically it can be navigating to the respective page, and automatically it can be shows whatever the user is click same similarity products they can display in our web pages. And the role of the directory service is critical, and also it is very important to us finding the categories whenever you're performing the, or else whenever the user is searching. So your this directory services can performs like your users expectations type. It can be performs like your users expectation, means directory services is responding to the users expectations. And this is necessary, why? Because here the category is missing or listed somewhere else, the user may think the intended content is not present on the site. Apart from this here, the exist many directory services or there in our organization, in the business, or else here it may be the multiple categories like this. And nowadays your there are many directory services like your we are registering those, right? So we are registering the several websites, your those will be like your free of cost only. Some of these includes the information like your internet mall, or else yellow pages, or else it may be having the Yahoo like this. Okay, so you can see whatever you have the information, just you will be understand in the directory services. So like this here you can perform the our information, just you can see what we have in this. Just whatever you have the e-market, this can be done in the form of online was sorry online marketing type. If may the product or else anything, online marketing means here they can do the business, and means your sellers can do the business, and you users means your customers can buy the product from that, right? So in between the sellers and the customers here will be having the one platform, by that here we are buying the products. So what it will be means your online marketing we are doing several applications we have it right now. And also we have the several websites, you can observe here what we have the several websites. Once you will be having the YouTube, or else here if it is search engines or anything, if you're clicking the any one link, whatever they posted any ad, or else if it is any link, automatically it can be shows like your whatever they given the products. If you like the product here you can if you like the product here you can buy that product. So if you bought the product here, automatically those people can get the some money. So for that case only here they are posting these all, otherwise here why they can post in these websites here. So like your or else here if you need the promotions also you can do. Okay, so this internet marketing technique can be done in the form of passive and the aggressive. The passive and the aggressive is done by the users and the sellers, and also these can be done in the websites only. But the passive is like your pull type, and the aggressive is like your push type, you can observe here. And whatever you have the different internet marketing techniques here, you can see here will be having like search engine and the directory registration. Okay, and solicited targeted email, interactive sites, banner advertising, offline advertising, spam mail, unsolicited targeted email, and the email chain letters. You can observe. So everything nowadays here we are doing only. So means in our real life every day we are performing all these, but we don't know what is the what is the performance or anything. So but we are using all this. Once you can check, definitely will be understand these words, automatically will write if you got this one into the exam in easy way only. So very easy e-marketing is the, okay. So just you can observe one thing, how you are performing, how you are searching anything in the websites, and how you are getting the results. Okay, once you will be observe all this, definitely will be understand all this. Okay, so this is the e-marketing. Just you can remember, we have the passive and the aggressive. By that here we can write whatever you have the sub points into this. Okay, thank you.